Okay, Adorners, so I found that I have a little marinara sauce I'm going to add to a little dish. And we're going to make up some cheese egg rolls. I'm using pepper jack because I like hot. All right, I'm going to add a little water to the outside. So I have just regular sliced cheese. This is a great snack for you and your family that you can make really quickly. You can take your cheese, fold it. Okay, we're gonna add it to the center of our egg roll wrapper. All right, we have a little water to the side, right? Fold in, just like we did before. And in a flash, we have like a mozzarella type stick. And this is something that you could do. I guess your kids could do it because it's in the air fryer. It doesn't require anything, but you do have to flip it over. So I would suggest that there's some kind of adult supervision. You can maybe do your cheese slices in half if you want, but if you want a lot more cheese, I'll just fold it into your regular cheese slice into threes. All right, here we go. Fold really quickly. Fold. All right. Add a little water. I'm right here by the water, so we can seal it. And we're gonna add these to our air fryer when our sweet potato egg rolls are done. We're gonna okay, Adorners, so we have our cheese. This is a pepper jack, as I said. You can add any kind of cheese you like. And I have a marinara. I'm gonna add that to our air fryer when our sweet potato pie egg rolls are done. And you can sprinkle this, maybe wet it on the outside if you want. Sprinkle it with your favorite Parmesan, which I'm gonna go ahead and do. Okay, let's do that really quickly. Got a little Parmesan. I'm gonna add that to the outside really quickly. All right, you can add oregano or seasoning to this as well. All right, doing this. So we've gone ahead and added a little Italian seasoning to the outside of our egg roll. You don't have to do this. A little Parmesan, and when we bake it up, we have to turn them over. Okay, you let them cook for a little while on one side in the air fryer for about 4 minutes or so, and then you turn them over so they're done on both sides, and they will puff up. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so it's time to go ahead and put our mozzarella stick egg rolls basically into our air fryer pan. You can see we're going to put them in for about 4 minutes, and then you might need to flip it over just for a couple minutes, and I'll be back. All right, Adorners, so we have our, let me just get a little more perspective. Okay, Adorners, so we have our two. I only made two because I was just showing you all, but you can make as many of these as you like with your favorite cheese. All right, I'm gonna put them in on air fry. I'm gonna do for like 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them over, and then maybe 3 or 4 more minutes, and they should be done. If you don't cook them on, I found that if you don't cook them on both sides, then one side it's kind of gooey. Okay, the dough is not done. Anyway, so let's do that, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so you can see our mozzarella stick egg rolls are cooking up nicely. We're gonna flip them over, okay? And see, I flipped them over really quickly, and I'm gonna let them cook for a few more minutes on this side, and I'll be back. All right, Adorners, so we have our mozzarella cheese. Okay, Adorners, so we have our mozzarella stick egg rolls. I flipped them over, and I flipped them back over. I'm probably gonna let it cook for 1 more minute, and then I'm plating them up. All right, Adorners, so as you can see, we got a little cheese melting out. Our egg roll mozzarella sticks are done. I'm going to take them out and plate them up with our with our marinara, and I'm going to take them out. All right, Adorners, so you can see our egg roll mozzarella sticks are done. I'm going to plate them up. I shake them a little bit sometimes, so you can hit shake on the air fryer. I'm going to take them out, plate them up with our marinara sauce, and I'll be right back. All right, Adorners, so you can see our egg roll mozzarella sticks are done. You can see some of our cheese. We only use one slice of cheese per egg roll, folded up. And as you can see, it's kind of gooey and oozing out. It's kind of oozing out, which is wonderful. I would suggest to let this sit for a minute or two before trying to bite these as well. And I just have some regular store brand marinara sauce for dipping. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, Adorners, so I wanted to show you the inside. Okay, Adorners, so I wanted you to see the inside of our marinara. All right, Adorners. All right, Adorners, so I wanted you to see the inside with our cheese, okay, of our... All right, Adorners, so I wanted you to see the inside of our mozzarella stick, okay? And it's perfect for dipping our marinara sauce in. I'm going to add a little of our marinara sauce to the inside of that. And yummy yum. All right, Adorners, so we've gone ahead and finished our mozzarella stick egg rolls. They are so good. Just with a slice of cheese, egg roll wrappers, perfect appetizer for game day, holiday parties, for your kids. I'm gonna be honest, I don't suggest that the kids make these by themselves because they are so hot. You know, once they have a handle on it, maybe some of your teens and tweens, but because they're so hot when they're making them, even though they're in an air fryer, I don't suggest they make these by themselves. No. But anyway, another half. Dip it in our sauce. Time to bite. All right, Adorners, I've pretty much been cooking all morning. Like I said, with the mozzarella egg rolls, mozzarella stick egg rolls, you can use any kind of cheese you like. You could actually add tomato sauce or pasta sauce of any kind you like. The egg roll, if you want to do that, it's like perfect for holiday season, right? It's perfect for football games, and it's not as expensive as buying. If you have just slices of cheese, if you just keep the egg roll wrappers at the house, if you have cheese, you can add shredded cheese to this too if you like. You can add meat to it. I just like mozzarella sticks sometimes, and so with the marinara sauce. But this is perfect for holiday parties. If you have unexpected guests and you need just a really quick little appetizer or hors d'oeuvre, it's perfect for this. Okay, anyway, Thanksgiving, people are waiting, and it's something you can make them ahead of time and just pop them in the air fryer or fry them up. It's up to you. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Happy fall, y'all.